So on the way tayo sa airport guys to pick up our shipment from Iligan, from Sir Ron Paulo. Kumuha kami ng dalawang female Kirin breeder, and we just arrived dito sa Cebu Pack shipment yard nila. So we are claiming the shipment we have and checking yung laman nito. These ranchos are BP Meng line, and they are Kirin ranchos. So we just check the package to see if the fishes are okay. So far the fishes are well packed, and ito na nga, dalawang pieces yan. Yeah, so far okay naman, both of them. And so we are going to take them home and acclimate it on our aquarium. So our purpose on this one, sana makabreed kami ng mga rancho. We have some few males yard natin, and that's why we got some females. This is an imported line, Thailand, from Meng BP line or farm in Thailand. We got them for 6k pesos plus the shipment of 2k sa transshipper. And now we're going to acclimate the fishes before putting them into the tank. So we prepared a tank with the clean water, added some anti-chlorine and stress coat, and also nag-add din kami ng salt para pa-relax ng mga bagong dating. So cutie muna sila dito ng ilang days. So ayan, so far good naman yung condition nila, medyo stress lang. So let's wait for 30 minutes to acclimate, and then let them taste some water that we have just to adjust, and then we'll show you what these ranchos look like. So after 30 minutes we will release them na sa aquarium, so you will be able to see what these ranchos are. So ito guys, this is the first rancho. So far naman good naman behavior nila sa pagtanggap sa tubig. Lumalangoy sila, medyo stress lang and uneasy. And this is the second one. Ayan, medyo faded yung pagka-black niya kaysa yung isa, but redhead siya. And so far parang stress pa sila, medyo uneasy pa yung galawan nila. So we added some salt in the tank para ma-relax sila. So ayan, after a few minutes, so far nag-stop naman yung swimming nila. And we hope maka-adjust na sila sa tubig namin, and hopefully by tomorrow they'll be swimming normally. So we're planning for this to breed, pair it with our tiger rancho, and have a breed of our own. Hopefully successful. Good day guys, so update lang dun sa Meng BP na rancho na kinuha natin sa airport the other day. So nandito sila sa cutie tank natin for 2 nights and 3 days na, and so far they're behaving good naman. Naka-recover sila sa stress. What we did is just water change lang, morning and evening, kasi we noticed na yung parang stress nila sa katawan lumalabas at nagka-cloud ng tubig kahit di namin sila pinapakain. So sini-change namin yan, I mean yung tubig, and then di namin pinakain muna until nag-behave sila na parang hindi na stress. So binigyan namin ng konting pagkain para ma-relax. So today, since so far maganda yung behavior nila at kumakain na din, and hindi sila nagmumugtok sa gilid, they're swimming freely. So we're going to transfer na sa ating rancho tank. So ito sila guys, medyo maliit sila than what we expected, kasi malaki yun sa kamay pagtingin namin, pero medyo maliit pala, or sanay lang talaga kami na malaki yung mga rancho namin. So we're going to put them here. Ayan, dito tayo, or dito sila ilalagay together with other females na rancho natin. This is from the Koi and Goldfish Factory or TKGF. So pinatikim muna natin sila ng tubig ng tank para hindi ma-shock or hindi sila mabaguhan before natin sila ilagay. So about 5 to 10 minutes na makilala nila yung tubig, mag-adjust sila, then lalagay natin sila sa tank. So sinadya talaga namin guys na early morning namin sila ta-transfer kasi yung temperature ng tubig hindi mainit pa kasi wala pang araw, and ganun din sa source ng tubig kung saan sila na-QT. So at least hindi masyadong malaking agwat ng temperature ng tubig na i-adjust nila. So far guys, happy naman kami sa nakuha namin na rancho kasi yung isa medyo reddish siya, yung shade ng yung red niya, and yung isa naman redhead, and yung scales niya parang web like. So ayan, pinakawalan natin yung first na rancho, and yeah, like I said, sinadya namin na umaga, early morning namin sila ilalagay para at least yung temperature hindi masyadong ganun kalaki yung agwat nung i-adjust nila sa katawan nila. And also bakit morning? Kasi we can monitor their behavior all day rather than we sleep all night and we don't know na ano na sila doon sa tubig, pag just in case na hindi sila nakaka-adjust sa tubig. So ayan, buong araw natin sila titignan if there's some unusual behavior or na-stress sila, but so far maganda naman yung pag-accept nila doon sa tubig. So ayan guys, medyo maliit pa nga sila compared doon sa mga rancho namin, parang half their sizes pa. And so far, they're still exploring the tank, and we'll wait na mag-swim sila mid-tank. That's to show na medyo relax na sila, naka-adjust na sila, and they swim together with the other fishes. So, malalaman mo yan guys na parang normal or happy sila inside the tank. And you will also know kung stress sila, like always sila nag-glass surfing, yung lagi silang nag-swim dyan sa glass. Ayan, isang sign yan ng stress or di nila nagustuhan yung tank lake. Pag tingnan mo, they wanna get out of the tank. But so far, after a few minutes, ayan, okay naman sila. Nag-relax na din sila, palangoy-langoy na together with the other fishes. Yung isa medyo floating lang siya, parang nag-a-adjust pa siguro. But later on, nag-okay naman yung swimming niya. So for now, we're going to groom them, and maybe later on i-condition namin for breeding, and hopefully makapag-lay ng eggs.